Okay, rear strut bar installed on the 2011 WRX STI. This is a Cusco or Cuso rear strut for a sedan. 2 bolts on the back. Those are tightened down to 22 pounds. This was just as tight as I could get it. Not too bad, but it's a little tricky because there are those modules. They have these on top of them to protect it. So you have to take those out, and as far as I can tell, they will not go back in. I haven't taken the bar off to put them on under the bar, but just by looking on them, they're not going to fit, so they're going to be out for now, unless I change my mind. But besides from that, the only tricky part was this wire here to one of the mount modules. Just to snake that in was tough. Actually, I had to remove this to give it some more wiggle room, but it was tight to get it in there. That was the trickiest part. But that's in, it's all torqued down, looks good. Now it's just the install of, you know, the mats and stuff. But I'm gonna leave the covers off those and see how it looks. All right, putting it back together, I realized I wanted to keep this foam for extra sound deadening. It didn't quite fit, so I decided to take a couple inches out of the top there. No big deal, but I just had to undo the bar and redo it. So if you want to keep this, if you have this, put it in first.